there is something unusual thing found on Galaxy S23 Ultra display, which most of the people facing, so stick till the end of the video because you might find this thing on your S23 Ultra, and that is a known thing on S23 Ultra. Before starting off, make sure to subscribe. Now, people started sharing videos and pictures of S23 Ultra screen where you can see a small bubble in the lower right corner of the S23 Ultra. Although it happens the same with the S22 Ultra, but people started talking about this because some people didn't see this on their S23 Ultra. Well, if you talk about Samsung itself, when this so-called defect came in S22 Ultra, Samsung explained why this happens on Taiwan's portal, where they say it's a normal phenomenon and doesn't affect the functionality or lifespan of the product, so you can feel free to use your S23 Ultra without any worry. Let me know in the comments, did you guys see this on your S23 Ultra display? Now, some people did see this bubble if you put the phone in a certain angle and some don't, but as per L1, it happens to all Galaxy S23 Ultra units, including the demo ones and his own unit. Samsung also explained why it happens. Samsung's display is composed of multiple things like the glass, dustproof layer, and waterproof layer. So this bubble might be the light refraction that becomes visible at certain angles. Although as from the past, there is no such issues found on the S22 Ultra displays, so take a chill since this won't affect your S23 Ultra display. If you own S23 Ultra and didn't receive the latest update, then go and check your software update. Since now Samsung is rolling out updates outside of European market, where some people are seeing update in China. If you guys don't know about the update, well, it is a security update but will come with bug fixes. If you're facing any bug, then update. Mainly, your shutter speed will improve after this update. Although this is one of the stable launch from Samsung, the One UI 5.1, which brings some amazing animations matching the performance of the iPhone 14 Pro Max, and brings most awaited features like object extraction from image and light mode, which we found on Fold 4 for the first time, and it works best on the S23 Ultra. The battery is just amazing on S23 Ultra, and if you guys want to see the battery life of the S23 Ultra, then make sure to watch this video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.